First and foremost, I would like to thank
Pwede
DOH
makaharap.
for considering the province of Samar na maging venue for our 51st Nutrition Month regional launching. So thank you so much. And I would like to acknowledge also the presence of the significant people na anhiya na dinhi. Una-una, I would like to acknowledge the Mayor of Catalogan City, represented by Ms. Aurel Rostan, the Chief of Staff. Thank you for coming. Present ko ang One Values program because we are talking about nutrition. And nutrition is the responsibility of each family, especially the parents. For so long, I started in government office way back 2007, and then in Congress, and then I became governor 2010. Nag-last term ako 2019. Then bumalik ako Congress for one term. I thought I will be in Congress for 9 years, hopefully. But then former Governor Milatan passed away 2019. So, kailangan ko bumalik as governor. And this is my second term right now. With the experiences as governor for the past several years, damo po ang aton programa aton gobyerno nga aton in cascade nga to community. But then, sad to say, piperala po ito na nagsucceed. Some became failure, some inugupan niya hindi suportahan ng komunidad, then naging successful. This is somehow a reflection during my oath-taking last June 30. In-mention ko na yun during yesterday hanapon, ginyakan dito hanapon meeting with the One Values program. When I went home the night after the event of June 30, my daughter, a 12-year-old, informed me, told me, dito na akong pangaturog na, nasa rin niya, you know what, Mommy, this is the first speech that your speech that I fully understand. I don't know, maybe it's because of your voice, because of how you deliver it, or maybe because of the presentation along the way when you deliver your speech. And she told me, well, I'm proud of you because you have so many achievements, you have so many projects and programs that yan na daw lang niya na baruan. Nga damo nga ito noon programa nga ako din cascade nga da probinsya. So, at that time, I was not surprised because the 12 years old man lang, so maybe diri pa siya nakakaintindi. But then, na-surprise po ako when pagsaring na niya nga. For the past several years that I attended your occasion, you're just talking like a government and a politician. So, di na ako medyo baga na shock ako kasi nakasaring ako nga siguro for a 12-year-old to say that it might be iniliwatan pag kita hanyatanan naton nga mga tao or the common constituents nga pag tumungtong sa nga government official or someone from the government kumakutin microphone and magyakan siguro nila pag kita gobyerno ito, so the typical government programs and ikakaskate. Then, nagsaring hiya. Kinsabayan yung pagsaring nga. Since you have so many programs and projects, I have some suggestions or problems that I saw in the community that I want to share it with you. So, na-curious ako, so meron ako, okay, ano ba iton? Kasi but I'm so sleepy now. I need to sleep. Maybe we can talk tomorrow. So, may abangan ang susunod na. The following day, she told me, by the way, the one that I did not tell you yesterday, can we talk about it today, tonight? So nasaring ako, okay, sige, ano man ato? You know what? I have my friends. You know what, here in the province, it's really different from Manila. Because here in the province, in Samar, money is very important. While in Manila, I did not hear from my classmates that it's so vital. So in Manila, we can watch movies since nahanlo ko no hira nga may kaupod nga iba. My classmates will rent the entire movie house nga hirala for 5,000 pesos each. But here in Samar, 5,000 pesos is very, very important. Because pwede na daw ko nito ibayad ng kuryente. That is for electricity and water bill. Nasa niya. And I have my friends, we talk and somehow nagsiring ko na sa niya, nag-break down ko na niya sa classmate. Because the mom, nagkaroon nira, that the mom, hindi buburod ito niya iya sangkay, abuse ko nung father situation. Then, nasyakliwat ako kay di ra ako prepared kung ano na akong babato nun. Then I told her, kung ikaw, ano ba ang imo pagkita? Nga maupay nga baton hini. Kasi, no, because you have programs. You should put it in your programs. So, nasa ringlot ako, kung ikaw ang governor, ano ang imo bubuhaton na siya? Well, I'm not the governor. That's why I'm asking you. Then, well, sabihin niya ako, anak, kung duha la itera, nakulo la itera, we can manage. Kaya pwede naman natin itong buligan in certain programs na may adapt kita dili sa probinsya. But if nga tanan iton, or dadamo ito hera, our funds are also limited. Diba? So, I realized overnight, nasa nga ako, siguro nga talaga tama, good, and aton giduduso, that we also have to put strengthen naton and values transformation din aton. Kasi it's not always the government that will push para maging maupay ang kinabuhi han kada tagsa nga sa marnon or kada tagsa nga tao. Because 50% the government will share, but the 50% kailangan ang aton mismo mga mulupyo ang siya ang makiwa. The government will be the enablers. We just ignite. Now, with that One Values program, because right now, nakita na we all have the national agencies, the province and the local government unit, the mayors, who are helping together achieve na mawara good ang malnutrition problem dinhi aton and entire Region 8. Pero ang question nakon, tama ba ang aton or i-convey ba naton yan to a community? This is a reflection for all of us in government. Na i-convey ba naton properly kung kay ano ini nato ginihimo ngadto ha komunidad. Because it might be a community and atong mga tao, they're so preoccupied with so many things nga diri ini nira nakikita ang value. Because pag kumadto ako ha ground, we did a deep dive with the nutrition problem and iba-iba ang response. May balay nga mas grabe ka malnourished ang bata, pero pag-happy pa man ang pamilya. May ada liwat o sa liwat nga malnourished ang iya anak, mas marupayan niya balay, pero masurubon na hiya ora-ora. So, depende talaga ini how the family will accept the situation. Now, ang ako nung tayo ni, nakita na natin we are here, we are committed, we have the program, but ang question, diri man kita pwede nga after the 120 days nga pagpakaon naton, mapakaon na liwat kita. Diba? So we should also capacitate, we should let the families, the parents understand kung ano ang responsibility nila towards natuhan ira mga anak. With the One Values program, ang kanina na ako niya present, this will somehow cement nga daan aton kita trabaho yan na. It will be part of the inclusivity for all. Kung makikita niyo kung namati ang aton mga audience nga tuhan aton 7 pillars, aatoy tunhan to welcome all. Nga may da inclusivity hananan. But right now, based on question han akon 12-year-old nga daughter na nasa ring hiya, so haya na, ano man mami, imo trabaho, ano man imo programa nga masulod. So bangin hi ka mo liwat, mapakiaan na haamon, hindi ang probinsya, you're gonna be asking, what will be the part of the province on top of this OVP, on top of this One Values program? The province is committed. We have 900